Hello guys, welcome back to True Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the UGREEN USB Type-C to C cable, and we're going to see how the quality is of this cable. So this cable is USB 2.0. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it up right now. I'm going to show you the full unboxing. I'm just going to take it out of the packet, and as you can see, this is everything that we get. We got user instruction right over here, and then most importantly, we've got the actual cable. So it feels like an ordinary cable, to be honest. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to test to see how many watts we can get through it and the speed of how much we can transfer data, because USB 2.0. This cable is not that long. It's only 0.5 meters. It's good for like traveling and you just want to put this in your bag and have a USB Type-C to C cable charging around. So yeah, we're just going to see the performance of this cable. Alright, so I've got the Type-C cable right here, and what I've got is a USB tester which can test the speed of charging. So I've got a UGREEN 30 watt charger, which I'm going to make another video of, which I'll put in the description. So I'm going to plug this in right now. I'm going to plug this cable in, as you can see, and I've got a laptop over here, and I'm going to charge it at a full 30 watts, and we'll see if this cable can handle 30 watts. Let's see what speeds we're getting. We're getting at 27 watts. So that's basically 30 watts, which is quite impressive. It can support much more faster speeds. It probably can support 60 watts, even 100 watts, I think, which is what I saw when I bought it. So it can support faster speeds, but this is the fastest plug that I've got. What I'm going to try now, I'm going to try data transfer to see how fast I could transfer data using this cable. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to test the transfer speed using this UGREEN cable. So I've got my Action 5 over here. I'm going to plug this into my PC. We are going to turn it on, and I'm going to test the transfer speed. I'm going to copy some files from the camera to the PC. Alright, so I've got my folder ready and I'm going to paste it in here. Let's see the speed that we get. So as you can see, it's not really that bad. We get around 36 megabytes per second. That's considering the fact that it's USB 2. Alright, so that was my unboxing and review of the UGREEN USB Type-C to C cable, 0.5 meters. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one.